Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most exciting reviews of the latest rides on wheels. Today we're diving deep into a true beast of the highways, the Kenworth T2700 Motorhome. It's not just a truck, it's a luxury house on wheels that redefines what road living is all about. From its powerful build to the lavish interiors, this motorhome is built to turn heads and conquer miles. So buckle up, because this review is going to take you inside one of the boldest and most stylish RVs ever created. Starting with the exterior, the Kenworth T2700 Motorhome stands tall with its commanding chrome grille, aerodynamic hood, LED headlights, and bold color schemes. The body is armored with heavy-duty aluminum panels and premium side skirting that gives it a smooth, luxury bus-like finish. It rides on custom heavy-duty wheels and air suspension that keeps the journey smooth even on the roughest roads. The automatic steps, hydraulic leveling system, and large side mirrors with integrated cameras give it both practicality and elegance. And those slide-outs? They transform this vehicle into a spacious living palace at the push of a button. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the T2700 is powered by a Cummins X15, engine producing up to 600 horsepower and over, 2050 lb-ft of torque, paired with an Eaton automated transmission. Whether you're crossing steep hills or cruising on highways, this rig handles like a dream. The air ride suspension and adaptive cruise control make long hauls feel effortless. And thanks to its 150-gallon dual fuel tanks, you can travel far without constant refueling stops. This motorhome is not only built for comfort, but also for serious road performance. As we step inside, the magic truly begins. The cockpit is something out of a spaceship. Leather captain chairs with heat and massage, a digital dashboard with touchscreen navigation, smart controls for lighting and climate, plus a panoramic windshield giving you a crystal clear view of the road. The interior is decked with high-gloss wood trims, soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a full entertainment suite including a 65-inch LED TV, surround sound, and satellite connectivity. Moving to the living area, there's a full-size couch, recliners, a dining booth, and even an electric fireplace. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Quartz countertops, a full-size fridge, induction stove, convection microwave, dishwasher, and loads of cabinet space. Every appliance feels like it was taken straight from a high-end home. Then comes the bedroom, and trust me, it's luxury at its peak. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, smart TV, built-in wardrobes with mirrored doors, and mood lighting. The slide-out expands the room, giving you plenty of walking space. The bathroom includes a glass shower with rainfall head, porcelain toilet, and marble countertops with a vessel sink. It's not just functional, it's elegant. Other features include a solar power system, integrated generator, dual air conditioners, underfloor heating, and smart security with exterior cameras and remote access. Everything is controlled through a central smart panel or your mobile phone. This is a motorhome that brings 5-star luxury to the open road. If you're someone who dreams of traveling without leaving behind the comforts of a high-end home, the Kenworth T2700 Motorhome is a perfect match. It's designed for those who demand performance, luxury, space, and technology in one unstoppable package. Whether you're planning long road trips across states or living full-time on wheels, this machine makes no compromises. That wraps up our detailed review of the Kenworth T2700 Motorhome. Let us know in the comments what you think about this luxury beast. Would you live in one full-time? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive reviews. Until next time, keep rolling in style with Honest Auto Wheels.